So this is anko marine load planner, so loadicator. So today I'll explain about this. First of all, you can see here loading, go to loading, then densities and summary. So here number 1 cargo. Okay, the cargo can be crude oil, ASTM. So crude ASTM, API. So we have to set API, suppose 31 API, enter. Okay, and if you load some other grades of cargo, go to number 2. Then again, if another grade of crude oil and the API may be different, 29.9, enter. So 2 you have saved. Okay, and if you have fuel oil of any other density, you can save from here. You can see. Then diesel oil, if you have another density, you can save it from here. Lube oil also, save it from here. And if newly installing the loadicator, then fresh water you put 1, then water ballast 1.025. okay, so as you have put and pressed enter, so everything is saved. So then you can close it from here, close. Okay, then this is called load limits. Here you can see density drafts. Okay, if you have sea water density different, some dock water density, etc., you can save it from here. Then basically we'll go now for loading. So if you like, you can load any other already saved plan. So you can go to store, and you can load anyone from here. Suppose you are going to load from 23 meter. Okay, then you can see, you can load it from here, press load, then close. It's already loaded now. So now we have already changed the API. Okay, so suppose number 1 port. Okay, so 1 port, so we'll load number 2 grade cargo. So here you can see cargo number. So here cargo number put 2, then enter. So okay, it's showing undefined. Okay, we go to loading again, then densities and summaries. So number 2, nice. to 31. Okay, cargo number 2, enter. Okay, so now it is working. The load, when we have put number 2 cargo, so it's showing the load in this computer will be changed. Okay, of course. Okay, so number 2 already entered. So you can see density and API. So we inserted API. So number 2 already 31 API. Okay, so again this one number 2. Okay, already changing. You can see this one also number 2. Okay, this one also number 2. Okay, this one also number 2. This one also number 2. And starboard side we'll put number 1, already there 1. Okay, so now temperature. So this is the stowage plan. So temperature, we'll put the given temperature. Okay, and after loading we can put here the temperature we'll get by measuring. So now suppose 39.44. okay, temperature you can see degree Fahrenheit and degree centigrade. We'll use degree centigrade, and here have API and density using API. Okay, so after that click on one port, and we put the alliages here like 4.5 meter. So every tank, press over the tank, and this will be changing. Okay, so put all the alliages. Okay, draft you can see from here, draft aft, draft forward, draft midship. This is stream, this is heel, this is shearing force, bending moment. Okay, so shearing force, bending moment, try to keep within the instruction manual or as per ship specific. You can see this side, lightweight, CA cargo, WB water ballast, FW fresh water, FO fuel oil, diesel oil, lube oil, MI miscellaneous, DW dead weight, and D is displacement, and LSG is sagging. Okay, so during stowage plan we have to set this bunkering also. Take the bunker figure from the chief engineer, that on arrival loading port what will be our bunker, and departure what will be bunker. So we'll calculate as per departure condition. Okay, so in departure condition put the bunker. You can see if you press here, this is port side tank, starboard side tanks also have lube oil tanks, or directly you can click here also number 1. Okay, and you can see this color also changing here. Number 1, fuel oil, AB fuel oil storage tank starboard, fuel oil storage tank port, service tank, storage tank like this, lube oil. So take from the chief engineer density and departure bunker condition, insert, then insert your cargo alliages, and get the required draft, and like we can plan. Then we have to save. So once after putting all the figure, when we are going to close it, it will ask for saving. Okay, so choose yes to exit. Yes. Now save current condition, we'll press yes, and it will take to this page. Then we can save it. We can change the name, or we can try any other one. Then we can save put on save, then voice number, name, condition, from to etc. Then we can click OK. It will be saved. Okay, so this is how we can create stowage plan. So now basically I will give you other description of the options. You can see here cargo tanks, cargo alliages, bunkering, then load limits, strength, SABM diagram, SABM table, harbors, etc. Stability analysis, auto trim, stored conditions will be here. Performance, print, we can print the conditions from here. Miscellaneous, you can see draft survey, all other STM tables, etc. And the online, offline, other settings, auto plan. Okay, so this is how we can make stowage plan.